Is an AI agent with three tools. It qualify leads, write personalized message, and send outreach email. Right now, the sheet is empty and no email sent. So now watch what happens when I give it just one message. So it is executing, the agent is qualifying the lead, and it is trying to find out the actual lead. So here we can see it has now filled all the fields automatically and also send the email to me as well. Last time we built an AI agent that qualifies the lead and write a personalized message. Now we are going to add one more workflow which will send those messages. So here we are going to set up the trigger first. So just write the name as email or lead email and type string and execute the step. You will understand this trigger thing afterwards when we are going to set it up in agent one. Connect it to the sheet and set up the credential. Operation will be get rows because we want to fetch the rows of that particular sheet to get that message to send it. So here we are going to choose the particular sheet. Then after executing, we can see we have got all the possible lead information present in that particular sheet. Now connect the Google Sheet to the if-else node. Based on the input given, it will choose one of the path. So we have to configure it. So for that, here I am giving the condition that rating should be equal to qualified. Then only you have to choose true path. Otherwise, you will go to the false path. So executing the step. So here you can see only the qualified lead is present here, not unqualified one. So we have to connect that true path to the further process of sending email, and the false path for non-qualified one we have to skip it. We have to add the skip not qualified node there. There is no certain kind of setup here, so you just have to add the skip node there, so it will skip the unqualified lead. Now we are going to set up the Gmail node. So here we have to add credential. Operation will be sent to the lead email and the subject will be the category and the email type is HTML, and remember we have to off the append n8n attribute, so it will not give that footer of n8n. So it has sent the email, so just check it. So we can see here I have received the email regarding a lead. Then we have to update the Google Sheet for that particular lead row that it has been contacted. So for that we are going to use the update operation here. Google Sheet setup credential, operation will be update row, and then we have to choose the sheet from the list. Map each column based on the timestamp. So here we will connect the input Gmail output as an input to the Google Sheet, and now we can see the data here. So just drag and drop the specific field to that block. So here I am dropping the timestamp, and we have to update the contact column of the sheet. You can just add the contact column to existing sheet and just write it something like this, like contact done, and execute step. So if we go to the Google Sheet, we can see here our data has been marked as contact. Publish it because we have to add it into AI agent. Now coming back to our previous AI agent, we just have to use the call n8n workflow node and rename it as send outreach. Write the description something like this into it. Now choose the workflow we just built, and here we have to enter our email which is going to trigger that workflow. Now execute the step. So let's test it again. So I have deleted the data here. I'm going to give a prompt to the chat model to qualify my leads, write a personalized message, and also send that message in the form of email to those leads. So let's see what happens. So now here it is qualifying the lead and writing personalized message and also sending the message. So we can see our workflow is executed successfully. Now coming back to our Excel sheet, all the 4-5 columns are filled. I received an email on my account. So you can see here. In earlier videos, I built lead qualification, personalized messaging. Today I connected the outreach email workflow. Next I'm adding automatic follow-up when leads reply. Subscribe, like and share so you don't miss the next video. And thanks for watching it again.